She was so sleepy that she fell asleep outdoors. This girl is bored, so she wants to make fun with the girl's hair. She starts to cut her hair with a pair of scissors. After getting up, her long hair is gone. She's very angry and tries to find who did it. Finally, she found someone selling her hair. Hey, I don't need this girly hair. Give me my money back. What's he doing? He's pouring baby powder into the dryer. This girl is using a dryer to dry her hair. Poor girl. You just need to pour a lot of powder into the hairdryer. And you're done. The guy who is keen on gaming doesn't care about his wife. She's not happy at all. She puts red lipstick on her ear and pretends to be burned. He gets panicked right after that. Just kidding, guy. Next time, don't be heartless anymore. It's a very nice day, and the boy takes his girlfriend to go shopping. He's carrying her bag. Unfortunately, he gets a stomachache and has to go to the toilet. Even though she is annoyed, she still has to wait. How frustrated she is. But she decided to play a prank. She spreads out the flour on her umbrella. Okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
He looks foolish, haha. Next time, don't let me wait again. She is taking care of her hair. Then her friend comes. Okay. She took too much hair balm, making her unhappy. It's very expensive. I must stop her. She suggests using a brand new hair mask. Wow, looks good! She is shocked with her red hair. Next time, do not waste other stuff. It's very simple. You just need to take the watercolor and mix with the hair mask. Morning cycling is really fun. Ooh, it's hot. Let's take a rest. Hey guy, I need your help. Come with me. Taking this chance, these two girls put shaving foam into his helmet. Look at this guy. He comes back and doesn't know what happened. Oops. Oh, damn. What did they do with my helmet? She was brushing her hair before going out for a phone call. The girl comes in and changes the comb. It seems she wants to troll her friend. Oh no! What's this? Smells disgusting! Let's make this comb. You take off the top part of the comb. Pouring the yellow mustard, it's done. These girls are talking happily. Meanwhile, a guy is approaching them, handing a pinch of hair, and means to do something bad. Turned out, he just pretends to cut those hair and makes them scared. It really pissed them off. What can he do now? Run for life! Oh, my boyfriend comes! Get out of here! Why don't they go out and talk? Too noisy to hear.
Okay. Hello.
No. Huh?
Wait and see what I can do with the both of you.
Okay.
She took a pinch of hair and secretly put it on the guy's shoulder. Honey, I'm back. Wait, what is this? A girl's hair? Are you kidding me? Get out of here! I don't want to see you anymore. Okay. Use a black marker to paint over your wig. Keep painting until it's done. This guy loves taking care of his hair. He must do skincare and hair care before going to bed. Two girls are planning to tease him. They color his hair by hairspray. Look how colorful his hair is after a night. What to do when there is no guests today? Let's dance! Woohoo!
Hey.
Hello, hello. Come in, come in. He wants to have his hair shampooed.
Okay.
What does she put in the tub? Oh my god! She took the hair dye, not shampoo. Look at his face. He seems very satisfied and doesn't know what happened. His hair turns red and he can't believe it. Poor guy. He surely will never come back to the salon again. She is brushing her long hair. Her friend comes in and plans to tease her. She pretends her hair has fallen out a lot.
I'm sorry.
She might be upset a lot. I've got this ketchup. Let's make some fun. Here she comes. She is going to wash her hair. Oh, what? It's ketchup, not my shampoo. Who did this?
Nani?
She gets mad, and he really enjoys it. Pour out the conditioner in the bottle. Pour the ketchup into the bottle and screw it up. This pizza looks delicious.
So good and tasty.
There is only one piece left, and they want to give it to each other. Look at that! She distracts her friend and puts a pinch of hair on the pizza.
Huh?
She pretends to leave and goes back to eat right after that.
So good.
Let's spray the hair dye on this comb, and let's see how fun. One girl came in and used it to brush her hair without noticing. Her hair turns blue! Next time, be careful.
Huh?